Welcome to the new Winnebago ARKA. I'm here at the Music City Motorhome Expo, brought to you by NIRBC. We're going to go take a look at this amazing off-road overlanding vehicle. Let's check it out inside first. Come on in. First thing you're going to notice are these amazing steps that go all the way down. This, of course, goes up just like many of the other RVs you might be used to. Let's take a look. So as soon as you step in the rig, you're going to start to see your kitchen area. Now these are aluminum powder coated cabinets. They're fantastic. They're secure, which I like. They're all locked, so you have to unlock them this way to open them. So as you're driving around, things will be very secure. Fantastic. You also have a little area behind the sink that you can open up. That's a cabinet. Very handy. You could put like spices and other things, maybe dishwashing, all sorts of things like that. You have a nice, deep, circular sink to do all your dishes and wash all those great things on with a retractable faucet, which I love. And all of your cabinets are, of course, locked. So when you're driving through all those heavy terrain and awesome places, nothing's going to come out of your cabinets whatsoever. Let's go back to the living space. This is a really nice living space. It's a nice U-shaped area with, of course, a lagoon table, and you can make this into a full or king-size bed when you put it together. It's a convertible dinette. I love this area. If you have friends over, you're traveling with kids, you can have a great time relaxing, enjoying this. The view is amazing. I love this area with two windows on both sides, and you can open up the back doors and enjoy that amazing view. Now, something that's interesting about this is there's lots of mods that you could do to personalize it yourself. Some people are actually thinking about, you can take this out on the back, put in more gear in the back for more storage. If you want to do inside storage, you can always put bikes and dirt bikes on the back as well. Lots of options. We have canvas window coverings. A lot of you are familiar with this style. I love this. So they zip. So you've got a bug screen, which is nice, and of course a blackout shade, which I like. And above you have these wonderful Winnebago magnetic and zippered soft-sided cabinets to put all your gear in. This floor is a heated floor, which is fantastic for all those cold weather days. You're gonna love that. So this is an intelligent RV that proactively works with everything that you've got programmed into it. It has that Wind Connect system, which is wonderful. So while you're out doing things, you can have all your systems on your phone and connect it remotely, which is fantastic and easy to do for temperature control, especially if you have pets. This unit also has a microwave and a fridge and a freezer. Pretty good size, I might add. Very nice. I am currently standing in the bathroom of the Winnebago ARKA. This is a really unique feature. So this is the bathroom and the shower and entry into the master, but let me show you. So we have a nice screen that goes across for privacy. The toilet is hidden. You have to open the latch. It's a Thetford cassette, comes out, 5-gallon cassette toilet. Very easy to use, and when you're done, guess what? You just push it back, and voila, it's all done. Now, if you're looking to take a shower, this is where it gets fun. That's why the curtain is here. You open up this cabinet. Come on over here and take a look at this. And all of your shower, your hot and cold, everything can be stowed in here, and you can take a shower with this screen that comes across and behind. So all of this drains down. It's fantastic. It even has a little bench if you want to sit down or however you want to do it. There's more storage inside. You have a nice big wardrobe for hanging things and lots of storage, as well as more cabinets in your bathroom area. Go all the way through. But now it's time to check out the bedroom. So this step not only works for the shower, but also helps you get into the bedroom. Oh, almost forgot one thing. Also the shower, you have a drying line that you can pull from one side to the next, so that, of course, put all your towels and hanging wet clothes up here as well to help dry. Okay, now it's time to check out the bedroom. Come on back. This is a really cozy bedroom. As you can see, I am 5'7.5". I can sit straight up. Lots of space up here, lots of headroom. You've got two windows on each side with, of course, those awesome bug-proof and blackout shades. You have two more soft side cabinets, which is nice, with ram mounts as well, so you can get lots of stuff back here. You've got lots of storage space for things such as whether it be your phones, your CPAP machines, whatever you need. And these are, of course, the Winnebago Wind Sleep mattress, which is so, so comfortable. Something else that's really unique is that we have a new, I'll call it a night viewing window. I love this inner area. You can go across, you can open it up, and you can get fresh air. You can also put the screen across, so you don't get any bugs, but you can look at the stars overnight. It's a fantastic option. All right, beside each bed, you of course have a couple plugs. You've got a 12 volt, you've got an A and a C, so you can plug in all your electronics each night or hang out and lounge back here. So I love the lighting here, and it's all dimmable, which is super awesome. So if you're like me and you like dim lights at night, things like that, so you can just get around or wake up very slowly, that's very handy. As you can see, this is a Dodge Ram 5500. It's a beast. It's going to take you everywhere. It's super comfortable to drive. A couple things you want to know about this. One, it's pretty tall. Number two, it has a 3 alternator system. So driving this a couple hours, you're going to recharge your batteries to 100%. How cool is that? Inside this Winnebago 5500 is very plush and very nice. Very easy to drive. All the things you would expect in a really nice truck. Inside this Ram 5500, it's a push start. All the plush things you can think of as you're driving out there on the road. As far as an overlanding vehicle goes, this drives really nice. Hey Bob, does this have any fuel?
Right, we've got plenty of diesel.
Are you sure?
Let's roll.
Do we know how many gallons this actually holds?
It's going to hold 56 gallons of diesel.